In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track orders in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable tracker you can use every day without spreadsheets getting out of hand. First, open Airtable in your browser. From the home screen, click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch and name it Order Management. This gives us a dedicated workspace so everything stays organized and easy to find. Inside the new base, rename the first table to Orders. Now we'll set up the core fields that make tracking straightforward. Add order ID as a single line text so you can paste or type any format you use. Add customer name as single line text, product as single line text, order date as a date field, so sorting and grouping work correctly, quantity as a number so totals and calculations stay accurate, order status as a single select, and total price as currency so values format consistently. These fields cover the important details without clutter. Next, configure order status. Add these options: pending, processing, shipped, delivered and cancelled. Give them distinct colors to make scanning a view faster at a glance. This list keeps everything standardized so your filters and summaries remain dependable. Now start entering orders, one row per order. Fill in the customer, product, date, and the current status. Think of this table as your central order database, the single source of truth for your team. If you paste data, double-check dates and currency to avoid formatting issues later. To make daily work easier, create a few saved views. Click Add a view and set up all orders to show everything. Then, make pending orders by filtering status to pending, and shipped orders by filtering status to shipped. Views save your filters and sorts, so you can jump to what you need without scrolling through the entire table. By the way, because Airtable is a website, I've placed a direct link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can get started right away. Keep things tidy with sorting and grouping. Sort by order, date to show the newest orders first, and try grouping by order status to see your pipeline from pending through delivered. Each view can have its own sort and group settings, which Airtable remembers for you. As orders move forward, simply change the order status. Airtable updates it instantly across all views, so there's no manual tracking needed and less risk of mistakes. If you want others to collaborate, click Share to invite teammates. Choose whether they can view or edit, depending on the access they need. That's it. Your streamlined order tracker is ready. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description. And thanks for watching.